Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make video look like cartoon and After Effects. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating a cartoon-like effect in Adobe After Effects can be a fun and creative way to stylize your videos. Now, open After Effects, then choose New Composition from Footage. Choose the video file you want to transform into a cartoon, then hit Import. After Effects offers a built-in effect specially designed to create a cartoon-like appearance. Here's how to apply and customize it. Click on the video, layer, and the timeline panel to ensure it's selected. Go to Effect, Stylize, Cartoon to apply the cartoon effect to your video. And when I move the timeline indicator, the cartoon take effect already. Let's adjust the fill, adjusting shading steps to control the number of colors used. Few steps can give a more classic cartoon appearance. Increase the smoothness to create softer transitions between colors. Let's adjust the edges. Adjust the threshold to define which parts of the video have visible edges. Increase the width for thicker outlines, giving a more pronounced, cartoonish look. Change the opacity to control the visibility of the lines. And let us adjust the detail radius and detail threshold. These settings help you control the sharpness of edges and detail and the cartoon effect. Smaller values create sharper lines, while higher values produce smoother effects. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.